Choice Hotels Honest Review. Look before you search for a hotel. Most people assume all hotel chains offer the same experience. The surprising truth is that some brands deliver consistent comfort, while others vary widely. Choice Hotels is a large hospitality group that includes brands such as Comfort Inn, Quality Inn, Sleep Inn, and Clarion. These hotels focus on affordable comfort, simple amenities, and convenient locations. Choice properties are typically found near highways, airports, and city centers, making them popular for road trips and business travel. Rooms usually include free Wi-Fi, complimentary breakfast, and parking. Most people get this wrong, but here's why Choice Hotels can save you money. Their loyalty program allows members to earn free nights quickly, and pricing is often lower than premium hotel chains. While not luxury resorts, Choice Hotels deliver clean, functional rooms that meet essential travel needs. If you value affordability and convenience over high-end extras, Choice Hotels can be a reliable option. Subscribe now for more honest hotel reviews.